Hi, today we're talking about business registration tracker. So as you can see, this is a simple Notion template which I have created over here, which can track all the business registrations that you're doing for your on your end. So in this template, you can see we have got certain information like the business name, the registration date, the number, the status, the registration type, and all the other information necessary. And on the top, we have a listicle view of different things that we have created over here. So we have the follow-up calendar section, which shows the follow-ups that you need to do for the business registrations. So essentially, in the database below, we have a column known as next follow-up date. So over here, we have created a calendar view, and we are able to see when is the next follow-up due. Okay. So for this, what you can do is just you can go to the layout section, and you can see that it is showing as next follow-up date over here. Okay. So basically on June 1, we have the follow with this particular registration. On June 10, we have this registration, and so on and so forth. Okay. Next up, we have the status column. So it shows the status of business registration of where it is currently, along with the registration details and the follow-up dates, as well as the registration number for each. After this, we have the LLCs. So all the registrations which are falling under LLCs are listed out over here, which is visible. Then we have upcoming registration. So any registration which is upcoming within the current week are shown over here. Okay. So these are some essential filters that has been created. You can obviously play around with all the filters over here, and you can choose your own filter type, whatever you wish to choose for the particular tracker. Okay. So this is what you can use this particular template and make your own like views for the registration tracker. And obviously all these things are customizable, so you can add and make changes over here to the database, and it will also reflect on the top. Okay. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, which is online PDF generator. This tool will help you generate invoices. Okay. So as you can see on the front end, we have a simple invoice where you can simply enter all the details, input all the values over here, and you can click on download, and it will automatically download the invoice for you. Okay. So if I open up this invoice, this is what it looks like. Obviously you can add the logos and all the information necessary, but the best part about it is you have this multiple PDF option. Okay. This works with Notion database. So what it does is it captures a Notion database where you can store all the invoice details, and from there you can generate multiple invoices in one click. Okay. For this, I would recommend you to watch this how to use section, where I have added a video and demonstrating how exactly it works. But this is an awesome tool which can help you generate invoices for your business. So if you are in need of generating invoices using a Notion database in one click, you can definitely take a look at this tool and understand how it works. Okay. I would be happy to hear your feedback on this, and you can contact me over the contact section at the bottom and send me a message with whatever queries you might be having, or you can directly reach out to me via the Twitter section. You can click over here and send me a message on the Twitter. Okay. So I hope this tool helps you out with the invoices part. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I am always available for your help. You can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. That is where I will be able to help you, assist you with the queries, and I will be happy to talk to you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.